Tonight, St. Paul schools are training employees for possible visits from federal law enforcement officers.
It's in response to the Trump administration rescinding a policy that essentially made churches and schools off limits for arrests.
Jay Coles is live at district headquarters with what teachers and students need to know. Jay?
Kevin, so far there have been no documented cases of arrests made inside school buildings across the U.S., but school districts are still preparing just in case. 4-page memo went out to all St. Paul School District employees, and it explains to them, tells them how they should handle a situation if a federal agent does show up. Almost immediately after President Donald Trump returned to the Oval Office, his crackdown on illegal immigration began. It's resulted in a spike in arrests nationwide, including some here in Rochester earlier this month. As part of that crackdown, the Trump administration rescinded the so-called sensitive zones policy, which protected immigrants in places like churches and schools. Now, in St. Paul, the school district is preparing for a potential visit from ICE, sending this memo to its employees explaining how to respond should an officer try to enter a district building, get on a school bus, get a child from one of those buses, or request access to student or staff records.
To all the families who are listening, we will continue to fight for you, and we'll continue to fight for all students to have access to St. Paul Public Schools.
While St. Paul schools tell us ICE has not visited any of its properties in the past 9 years, the school board voted unanimously in support of that plan just last week.
To continue to do what we can to protect our students, while also recognizing that there are things that we cannot guarantee or promise.
We took the memo to Hamline University law professor David Schultz. He calls it legal guidance for employees should federal authorities show up.
Be polite. Don't resist. Don't obstruct.
But he also says local governments like school districts have constitutional protections.
And you do not have to let federal authorities into your building unless you want to or with a warrant.
The only other exception, if there's a life-threatening emergency, law enforcement can enter a school building.
The federal government cannot force you to cooperate with them.
And Professor Schultz says if you're outside of a school building, say you're on school property, the same rules still exist. Unless there's a subpoena or a warrant and a federal agent were to approach a staff member or a student, they can simply politely say they don't want to talk to them. Reporting live in St. Paul, Jay Coles, 5 Eyewitness News.